Morning, Fractal Effects team. Please make sure you read the disclosure. If you're following along with us, please make sure you do in a demo account, as this is for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and this is not financial advice. Let's jump onto the charts. Might be a little hard to see here. So today we do have FOMC minutes, meeting minutes, dropping later, around 2 p.m. I believe, Eastern Standard. So for the early model, there was an entry here where we wicked up one clean leg. So that was the manipulation move. We already had a sell model. We tapped the purple zone here, took out this liquidity, and then we used the blue zone and the NYC opening gap as inverse with the target down here. So it's not completed yet, but that was the setup. Get that out of the way. Already into a safe trade though. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. About 7 minutes away from range formation. Then we'll wait for a confirmation, most likely bearish. This is still the area that we're interested in. There's a 15M fair value gap in here. So we're bouncing off the 50, most likely we'll go back up. There might be an opportunity to pop into that. But as mentioned before, now that we are 6 minutes away from the spotlight dealing range formation, we're switching over to the spotlight strategy specifically and waiting for confirmation, retracement, and extension. Tomorrow is, so this entire week we have CPI, PPI, tomorrow and Friday. So we're avoiding US assets. US oil is the only asset actually I'm interested in. We'll take a look at NAS in a minute just to show you how messy it looks. So it's delivering now to that 15M fair value gap. Aiming for that red line. About 3 minutes away from our range formation. I'd like to see it obviously continue. Now, since we do have a 15M fair value gap in here, let me turn off the blue zone strategy here for a second. So initially, we did have a slight upside expansion model. We've obviously taken out all the lows. With NYC session just sitting below London. So we could technically bounce off this 15M fair value gap, but we're bearish on the day. That's why we're going to wait for that confirmation. If we can get past this 15-minute fair value gap, then we'll be heading down to these lows. Sometimes it can get a little messy with all of the zones, but again, this was a beautiful trade in the morning. Once again, we had a sell model. We had manipulation to the upside first. There's our manipulation range, that green line there. Top of it, bottom of it is here, exactly where we've painted out this green line. So we manipulated up, hit the blue zone, not a coincidence. Sorry, 1 second, just having some issues with lag time here. So our range is fully formed now. We could get a confirmation at any time. Okay, we seem to be having some issues here, unfortunately. Might have to reset. Yeah, we're having some issues with the feed. We're just going to jump off and jump back on.